So one thing that's fun about Arizona is that there are groups everywhere. And as you can see, that is the side-by-side group. They've got, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there's some in back of the RV over here. I'm not sure if that RV and trailer is part of it. It might be where they all meet up, and then maybe they've got a little work area in that trailer. I'm not really sure. But they're all getting ready to go right out to the desert bar this morning. And looks like a lot of fun. So our group, a few of us are over here in the parking lot. There's Aja and Jen and Jason, and we've got Donna, our friend, over here. Jeff is up in front of us, Dory and Mike. Oh, there they are right there. We've got Amy. And I think that's it. I think that's all of us.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
All right, we made it down to the Bluewater little beach area. So the beach hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And this is super nice. They've got barbecue pits here. Lots of tables with the little overhangs so you can stay out of the sun somewhat. It's beautiful. All of our group is right here. We're missing a couple. There's Mike. We're missing a couple. They are on their way down here. So once they get down here, we'll all have our picnic. It's not too far of a walk from the parking lot up there. There's the casino hotel right there. We all had food to bring down, so we all decided just to drive down. Yeah, super nice. Aja and Jennifer and Jason just showed up. So right as you enter, they've got some fees per vehicle, but it's only during the summertime. It's always a little confusing for Scotty and I because this is like summer for us because we're from Washington State. So their summer is, you know, during summer months. So during summer months, that's what you would pay. And right now it's free to come down. So that's super cool. No barbecue grills or open fires on the beach, but like I said and I showed you, they do have fire pits down here. Deviled eggs. Wow. Alright, so what we did is Aja decided that because everybody's got different diets going on, different ways of eating, everybody just brought their own little picnics. So I got some fruit. I made some vegan muffaletta sandwiches and a Caesar arugula salad. So Pumpkin had to have her little picnic item. Aja made fried rice, vegan style. It's got Impossible Burger in it with some veggies. Oh, it's super good.
Yeah, I don't think it changes much. Maybe, you know.
Hi, baby.
Really hot,
Hi, Moo
a little
Moo.
ways down, but
Hi, sweetheart.
camera was big plus.
They're skipping to the playground. We're like a bunch of little girls going to the... Are you trying to play, Pumpkin? Are you playing tic-tac-toe?
There we go.
Come
I
on.
don't know. I got shade and I got a
Come on.
lap. I'm good.
Come on. Come on.
What are you, crazy?
Come on. It's gonna. Come on. She really don't. Come on. Good girl. Are you going up the slide? Come on, let's go. Come on, Pumpkin. Oh, Pumpkin wants to go down the dual slide.
Come on,
Come on, Pumpkin.
oh, we can all go.
Come on.
Doggy's down the slide.
Come on.
Doggy's down the slide.
Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Pumpkin. Woo! I told you. I told you. I told you. Woo! Traffic jam! Traffic jam! Amy's going head first. Oh my gosh, too fun. All right, well that was super fun. We're all heading out. We've got one of our group members is broke down up the road, so we are all pulling out of here. Scotty's gonna go get his voltmeter because
And I just got some new jumper cables that somebody gifted me, so
we're gonna go ahead and go up and see if we can help our part of our family.
hope our friendly traveler.
But super fun.
Yeah, beautiful day.
If you come down to this area, this is the Bluewater Casino beach area, like I was saying. Jeff did come down here earlier this afternoon, about 11, and we all were coming down here at 1, but he came down at 11 to get a spot because these places did fill up very quick this afternoon. So always a good thing if you're going to come down here and have a little picnic. Come down and try to get a spot early in the morning. Well, not early, but you know, a couple hours before you want to have your picnic.
Yeah, it's a great, beautiful.
Yeah.
Turned out to be just an awesome, beautiful day.
Yep.
I think my face is sunburned.
It's a beautiful, beautiful spot.
Yeah.
And we had super fun over there on that slide. I haven't been on a slide since I was, oh my gosh, very young. All right, back up here, get our stuff, and go help our friend. They do have an RV park right over here on the back side of the parking area for Clearwater Casino. I don't know how much.
Bluewater.
Or, I'm sorry, Bluewater. Clearwater is where we live.
This is all affiliated with that other place over there.
Another campground.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have no idea how much that costs. We've never been there before. They usually have a little arcade family fun zone area going, but it's closed. And they have miniature golf, but that is closed as well. Only thing that, other than the casino that's open, is the cinema. At 7 o'clock they have, I think they had 4 different movie theaters, or yeah, movies going that you could pick from. All right. Ooh, it is packed up here. All right, so we made it to Safeway area. So it's Radie traveling with the Gramkracker. His van is not turning over. They just did some code readings on it. Jason did. He's got a little instrument that reads the codes, and there's no codes. Scotty just got underneath there, and it looked like there's some fluids dripping. But they're just trying to diagnose it and figure out what's going on, and hopefully they can figure it out and get Radie back on the road. Well, they're getting in the doghouse now. See what they can see in there. There's just nothing worse than being a traveler and having your rig go down on you. That's
He
for
gave you a new
sure.
distributor, so he replaced the crankshaft sensor, and he thinks that maybe if that went bad, then the engine will, because it won't know when to fire.
Well, we just got to see if it has spark then.
Okay.
Just, I don't know, is it easy enough to pull, you know,
Yeah, the
whatever?
distributor's right here.
Yeah, you can probably just grab that thing.
Just put my finger in there and put my other finger in the other one and see if I feel anything. You guys are great.
Yeah.
Oh, we got it. What was it? Coil?
Coil wire come out?
Coil wire came out. There he goes. Got it going. Yeah.
So the little center wire, the boot was on, but it wasn't on
It wasn't
the...
down in the...
Okay.
Oh, you got to put the air cleaner on.
I love easy fixes.
Woo!
Yep. Let's make it nice.
Nice start to that one.
Oh, again, huh?
Let's see, let me pull it up. That's the only thing you've done. The coil is around the side. Is it loose into the coil?
Okay, well, at least I got it started once, so that's a good sign.
Well, it's definitely the ignition, because we messed with that and it started working.
Could be a condenser and a distributor too. Do they still have condensers in these things? They do in that one, I'm sure.
That one's got a ribbon cable with 3 or 4 wires.
Well, at least the one good thing is we can get him back to where our group is. And we'll all be together and the guys will be able to
I don't know.
make sure that it's going to stay running. It's running right now. Like I said, we'll get Radie back to where our group is. And it's always nice at least to know that you're with the group, because lots of people will stay with you until you figure it out. So, not alone. So what's
Found
going
it.
on?
The coil wire had laid against the exhaust manifold and got hot and burnt, and that it just grounded it out.
Oh.
And so by us pulling it, unplugging it, and then putting it back on, it was pulling it away for a second, and then it would fire up.
Right on.
Yeah.
So now what do you
coil
guys
wire.
have to do?
So then we're just going to put some tape on it, and then Radie can go to the hardware the store up there, and if they have it, they have it, but otherwise it's going to be running.
Right
You know.
on.
So a little
Good deal.
one.
Yeah, so they got it running and then they turned it off to make sure that they could turn it back on and it wouldn't run, so Scotty was able to find it, so.
I think this will be good. We just have to...
Yeah. One thing about and how you backtrace it, the thing about gasoline engines, you know it has compression more than likely. Either it has spark or fuel, and if it doesn't have one of those, then that's where you chase. Yay. Yeah, that'll last you for a while.
Okay, good deal. I'd say that it was a successful day.
I still got my clothes on. I'm so tired.
We had a picnic,
Mm-hmm.
got Radie's rig running again,
Mm-hmm.
and then to top it all off, to end the whole night, we're watching Moo Moo. What you think, Moo? Huh? Pumpkin's over here. We're just watching people come in and out of the parking lot. Woohoo! Aja's down watching a movie at the theater.
And we're having Moo Moo for a couple
Yep.
hours.
All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit today. Not a big, exciting day, but we had a good time with our friends and had a nice picnic, and it's time to call it a night.
And it became windy now.
Yeah, it
And
is windy
chilly.
out there. Good night, everyone. See you another night.
Night.